Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today's video is short biography of Syedna Abdur Rahman ibn Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Syedna Abdur Rahman was a companion of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and an early Muslim convert. He was born in Makkah and he belonged to the prestigious Banu Zahra clan of Quraysh tribe. He was known for his wealth and generosity even before embracing Islam, having successful trade business. After meeting the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Syedna Abdur Rahman embraced Islam and became one of the 10 people to accept Islam. Despite facing persecution from his tribe and family, Syedna Abdur Rahman firmly stood by his decision and displayed unwavering commitment to the faith. In 622 CE, when Muslims faced severe persecution, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated to Medina with his companions. In Medina, Syedna Abdur Rahman established profitable trade business, becoming known for his financial acumen. He also acquired large plot of land and set up date orchards, which became a significant source of income. Syedna Abdur Rahman was renowned for his generosity and philanthropy. He used his wealth to help less fortunate, support the community, and contribute to the needs of the Muslims. His charitable acts earned him a great respect among the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Syedna Abdur Rahman passed away in 652 CE during the caliphate of Sayyidina Osman ibn Affan. His legacy of faith, generosity, and financial acumen continue to inspire Muslims to this day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.